Hey YouTubers, I want to give you a quick update. Finally got Old Faithful started. I had let it set up for like 2 years without driving it. Probably started it about twice. Well, anyway, put in the shop to have the oil, um, the fuel pump changed, and got it home. Let it set for about an hour. Wouldn't start back up. But anyway, I actually should be asleep, but you know how it is when you just got to get it fixed. You know, it just won't sit well until you get it right. Well, anyway, I put some gas treatment in and primed the fuel pump a couple of times, and now she's purring like a baby. Yeah, this is the sound we want right here. Actually changed the reservoir bottle. It had a little leak over there, but looks like there's a leak under here. Need to find out exactly where that's coming from. Looks like we may have to replace the radiator. Got a little leak right there. May have to put it on the lift to see exactly where it's coming from, but want to definitely get that fixed. Don't want it overheating and end up having a worse problem with the engine. My other baby over here, let this sit up also for almost 2 years and probably driven it maybe twice. Actually, the battery is weakened. I should have put it on the tender. Well, I'm going to have to get another battery, and as soon as I get that, I'm going to be riding this more. But anyway, peace.